Hi, I'm Nate Favini, the medical lead here at Forward, and I'm excited to show you around one of our offices. You can see behind me here we have one of our body scanners. This is the device that we use to gather important information about your body to inform your conversation with your doctor. Let me show you a little bit about how it works. It's as simple as hopping on here and putting your hand into the device. Select your initials here on the screen. And then the body scanner starts to gather a bunch of really important information about you that your doctor will use to help you make plans to address issues with your health. So you can see first it's taking my temperature, it's going to measure things like my height and my weight, gather a bunch of different information about the composition of my body, and then it's looking at the performance of my heart and my lungs. It's using something called red light spectroscopy to understand how well my blood is oxygenating, gathering information like my heart rate as well. And then all of this information gets sent back to the exam room where you and your doctor can review it together. Now, monitoring this data over time is really important to us. So that's why our members can use wearable devices at home and other sensors that they can use to capture that information and send it to us via the app, which you can then use to inform your plans over time. Next, let me show you what one of our exam rooms here looks like. So after you have your body scan in the front of the office, you'll come back to one of our exam rooms. This is a classic Forward exam room. You can tell that it looks totally different than your average doctor's office. And this is where you really get to have that in-depth conversation with your doctor. You'll spend a lot of time getting to know them, they'll get to know you, and they'll explore everything that's going on with your health today and how we can improve your health in the future. You'll notice we have a giant smart screen on the wall here. And this is an interactive display that we use during the visit to make everything really transparent to the member about what's happening. All of the topics that are being covered during the visit are here on the screen. And so that means that the member knows exactly what's going on, what we're talking about, what's coming. And they can see all of their information and data here as we go through the visit. Now, if the member's on site, we draw their blood here. We can turn those blood tests around in about 12 minutes. And we put the results right here on the screen for the member to review together with their doctor. We look at a number of different lab markers. We look at cholesterol results. You're seeing an example of that here. That tells us about the member's risk for heart disease in the future and how we can try to lower their risk for heart disease. We also look at measures of kidney function, of liver function. We look at blood electrolyte levels, and we look at hemoglobin to see if the member has any signs of anemia. It's a really comprehensive look at what's happening inside of the member's body so that we can better understand the state of their health and their risks in the future. Now, something that's very unique about Forward is that we offer genetic testing to all of our members. That helps us understand not just what's going on today, but the likelihood that you would have different conditions in the future, whether it's diabetes or heart disease or cancer. And then using that information, we can make more customized plans for the member's health. So in particular, if it's something like cancer, we can talk about how to prevent it from happening. We can talk about how to do more regular screening so that we catch it early in its course if it does happen. And that can have dramatic impacts on someone's life in the future. So all of that is covered here with the member on the screen. In this visit, we also go into a lot of depth about things like sleep and stress, diet and exercise. And whether or not you're here in the office, you can have this type of experience. Members, even from the comfort of their couch, can have a visit with their doctor using Forward at home, where the smart screen is actually available on their computer. They can log in and have a conversation with their doctor where they can see all of the same data while they're having the conversation. And this information, whether it's your data, your lab test results, the plans that you make with the doctor, the progress that you're making against those plans, that's all in the Forward app for you so that you can see it anytime you want to look at it and understand how you're doing. Now, the app also gives you 24/7 access to the care team. You can chat in, and within about 2 minutes, you can have a response from the care team about whatever might be going on. There's also a number of features in there, including cards that allow you to tell us about symptoms you might be experiencing so the team can respond to you even more quickly, tools to check in on your mental health and get help from the team regarding that. And so it really creates this seamless experience that you can take with you wherever you go. If you're experiencing something minor, like a sore throat or something much more serious, you have your care team at the touch of your fingers using the Forward app. And here on our end, we have some of the best doctors in the world ready to take care of you wherever you are. So after you've had your visit with the doctor, you have all of the information that you covered during that visit available in your app, whether it's the plans you made with the doctor, your information from the body scanner, your laboratory data, blood test results, that's all available on the app to you. The app also gives you 24/7 access to our care team, so we're literally a tap away on your phone if you need anything from us. The goal here is that we create an ongoing partnership with you so that we're working together to help you achieve your health goals. That's what we're all about here at Forward. Thanks for taking some time to learn about us. And if you'd like to learn more, check us out on goforward.com.